How to make cylinder mosaic wall sconce. Prepare your setup. Choose your main design pattern from the template and start applying mosaics. You can choose the color theme you like. Here, we use purple mosaics to fill up the center and middle layer. Next, fill up the inner and outer layers using a different colored mosaic. We used mirrored mosaics for this one. Great, now we've finished our first pattern. Let's go ahead and apply glue on the center of the glass cylinder. Make sure that it's not too thick, else the mosaics will slide around, nor too thin where it doesn't stick at all. Apply the center mosaic first, then wrap it with the next layer of mirrored mosaics, following the pattern. Add the next layer of mosaics. Remember to use a different color for alternating layers to create a striking pattern. Now let's add the outermost layer using mirrored mosaics. Next, let's do smaller patterns. Use the same technique of starting from the center and using different colors. Like before, let's apply glue and stick. Here's our progress. Let's create more patterns to fill up the sides of the cylinder. For this particular lamp, we can alternate big and small patterns like this. We can have one big pattern on one side, then two small patterns in another. Let's repeat the steps. Design, glue, and stick. We'll do the same for the next set of small patterns on the other side of the cylinder. Look at how gorgeous. Now let's create accent designs. Apply glue to the top of the cylinder. We will be creating a pattern that circles the cylinder. For this, it's better to apply glue by section. Glue a small part, then add your mosaics after and repeat. Do the same thing for the bottom layer of the cylinder. We're almost done. Grab a small bowl and mix your beads. Apply glue to the empty areas of the cylinder. Then start pouring your beads. Use the back of a tweezer to tap the beads, making sure there's only one layer. Repeat these steps until the empty areas are filled. And there you have it, your completed cylinder mosaic wall sconce.